सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ डिफेंस स्टॉक कैश ऑन Jan 20, BEL, HAL, BDL data patterns, others call can budget 2026 the press rally. Majority of defense stock witnessed sharp selling pressures on January 20, despite India and UAE signing key trade deals to strengthen their military sector. At the time of writing, the Nifty India Defence Index plunged by 1.2% and emerges among top losers on the NSE. The case was similar on BSE as well. Up to 5% decline was recorded in mega defense players like Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, Bharat Dynamics, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, Cochin Shipyard, and Data Patterns, among others. It needs to be noted that defense stock will be in focus due to upcoming Union Budget 2026, which will be announced on February 1, 2026. Investors are eyeing record budget allocation to drive this sector ahead. Defense stock crashed on January 20. At the time of writing, Nifty India Defence Index plunged by 1.17% to trade at 7,679.60. The index touched an intraday low of 7,641.20. Top three defense players are HAL, BEL, and BDL. These three stocks are down by 1.2% to 2.9%. Other defense stocks like Midani Mitar Technologies, Porras Defense and Space Technologies, Mazagon Docks Shipbuilders, Bharat Fox, GRESE, BEML Dynamic Technologies, Data Patterns, Gen Technologies, and Cochin Shipyard traveled by 1.5% to nearly 5%. Also, stocks like Client DLM and Unimage Aerospace were down by over 1% each, however, and the step decline stocks like Astra, Microwave Products, and Solar Industries breathed in the green zone. However, their performance was limited between marginally gains to nearly 0.5% surge. The latest bearish tone is defense stock is despite the strategic alliance announced between India and United Arab States